53 and lesson number 42, first aid. First aid means the things which help us when we get hurt to cure ourselves. See children, we are playing, we are running, we are moving, so we fall down, or in any case we get hurt. If we get hurt, blood come out, or any swelling is there, we use first aid box to cure ourselves. To before going to doctor, we put these things to cure ourselves. So first aid means firstly handed things which is used to make ourselves cure. So fill in the blanks using the help box. Number 1, when there is a cut on our knee, the doctor cleans the wound and applies medicine with a piece of what? When there is a cut on our knee, the doctor cleans the wound and applies medicine with a piece of cotton. See, picture is also there. So you have to write cotton. When we get hurt, then what? With which help we get medicines? जब हमें चोट लगती है तो हम किस चीज का यूज करके मेडिसिन लगाते हैं? मेडिसिन को पहले हम एक कॉटन piece of cotton पे लेते हैं, then it put it in the knee. Direct medicine, liquid medicine, we not put Dettol or anything. Direct through our hands, we use cotton balls to put the medicine on the wounded place. So when there is a cut on our knee, the doctor cleans the wound and applies medicine with a piece of cotton. And the spelling of cotton is C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Now,
कॉटन का स्पेलिंग क्या?
C-O-T-T-O-N. That is written in your boxes also. Answer key helping box is there, and there written the spelling also. C-O-T-T-O-N. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. That is written. आप देख के भी लिख सकते हो. See, below the page there is the spelling of cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. See the spelling and write. Number 2. When we are down with fever, the doctor checks our temperature with a thermometer. When we are down with fever, the doctor checks our temperature with a thermometer. So children, जब हम बीमार होते हैं, doctor as well as our parents would check our fever through the you can tell it is a machine or temperature. So this picture, this is thermometer. Spelling of thermometer is T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R. Big word, write in break, therm. T-H-E-R, thermo, M-O-Mo, meter, M-E-T-E-R, meter. Thermometer. It is written below the given help box also. Again, I am repeating word thermometer. T-H-E, T-H-E-R, ther, M-O-Mo, meter, M-E-T-E-R, meter. Again, I am taking the words and pronounce it. Ther, T-H-E-R, ther, M-O-Mo, M-E-Me, T-E-R, ter. Thermometer. It is a big word, so you will have to break it and write it. Next is third number. When we have cough, the doctor gives us a cough syrup. When we have short throat or we have cold and cough is in our throat, that time doctor give us a liquid medicine in bottle. See, and this is called cough syrup. Syrup spelling is also written here in the help box. S-Y-R-U-P. Syrup. S-Y-R-U-P. Syrup. Children, write it. Syrup. S-Y-R-U-P. Syrup. Yeah. When we have cough, the doctor gives us a cough syrup. S-Y-R-U-P. Hope you are finished. Now number 4. we should not drink dirty water.
Spelling क्या?
Syrup spelling SYRUP, that is written in given box, help box below. See my pointer shows, see your picture in the page. Look at your page and see my cursor. Where is the cursor? That is the spelling. See, my cursor is moving with the spelling. This spelling you have to write SYRUP, syrup. Number 4, we should not drink dirty water as it contains germs. Drinking water is pure, it not contain germs, but dirty water contain germs.
में बैक्टीरिया होते हैं.
Germs is called germs are also bacteria. There is different type of germs, bacteria, fungi. So germs is a wider form, bacteria is small form. So children write germs, that is also written. See my cursor below the page, give help box. This is the spelling of germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. We should not drink dirty water as it contains germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Now, write it. 4th number, germs. We should not drink dirty water as it contains germs. Now, number 5. When we are ill, the doctor gives us small round medicines called tablets. So children, big people, elderly people have tablets when they get ill. Kids not. Kids like you very rarely have tablets. So tablets are for big people, elderly people. When we are ill, when elderly people or more than big from you, the doctor gives small rounded medicines, and that is called tablets. See here the picture, and this is the spelling. Follow my cursor. Follow my cursor. This is the spelling of tablets. My cursor. Follow my cursor. There is a cursor. I am moving on my slide. Tablets. T-A-B. Tab. L-E-T-S. Let's. आपके पेज पर देखो. There is a spelling of tablets. T-A-B-L-E-T-S. Tablets. Again, I am repeating. Tab. T-A-B. Tab. Let's. L-E-T-S. Let's. Tablets. 1 second, children. Someone is trying to join. Mute yourself. Yeah. Next is number 6, last one of this page. When we are very ill, the doctor uses a syringe with a needle and gives us an injection. A syringe. This is syringe with a injection with a needle is called injection. जब हम ज़्यादा बीमार होते हैं, when we are get very seriously ill, that time there is no option of syrup and tablets. That time, what we need injection to cure ourselves quickly. What is the spelling of injection? Again, I am breaking the word. I-N, inject. J-E-C, Tion. T-I-O-N, shun. Injection. I-N, J-E-C, T-I-O-N, shun. Injection. This is my cursor. We're moving here, so you have to write the spelling properly. For 42 number, first aid is finished. Now, one by one, I will ask you questions, answer. So, children, when there is a cut on our knee, the doctor cleans the wound and applies medicine with a piece of. What is the answer? Yeah.
Cotton.
Okay. Number 2. Very good. Very good.
Cotton.
When we are down.
Cotton.
When we are down with fever. Children, mute yourself. When we are down with fever, the doctor checks our temperature with a Now next, mute yourself. Children, mute yourself. Yeah. When we have cough, the doctor gives us a cough. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Number 4. We should not. Children, mute yourself. Children, please mute yourself. Mahi, mute yourself. Voice is coming. Children, I will give you time to speak. Mute yourself. Okay. Number 4, we should not drink dirty water as it contains good. Good. When we are ill, the doctor gives us small round medicines called good. When we are very okay, good. When we are very good. When we are very ill, the doctor uses a syringe with a needle. Good. Very good. Now mute yourself. Mute yourself quickly.
मैम मेरी बैटरी लो हो गई.
Mute yourself. Yeah. Now children, move to the next page. That is page number 54. 43 lesson, my home. Next page. My home. See children, what is we can see in home, that pictures few things which we can see in the home, that is in the page, and we have to write these things where we will put in drawing room or bedroom or kitchen or bathroom. The one thing we have to put where there is things we have to put in specific place. See, we can't put gas stove or drawing room, right? We can't put tea table or almirah in kitchen. So there is a specific place in home for specific things. So we have to find out which thing we have to put in which place. Put these things in the rooms where they belong. So there is options: drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. First picture is dressing table. So in the dressing table, we dressed ourselves before going outside or any time. We call bedroom. That should be in bedroom. So dressing table should be in bedroom.
Bedroom, ma'am.
Yes. So write bedroom. So write dressing table below the bedroom section. Where bedroom is written.
मैम only ड्रेसिंग टेबल लिखना है उसके या फिर उसका स्पेलिंग भी लिखना है.
Yeah, that spelling you will write dressing table. DRESSING dressing. TABLE table. You have to write bedroom ke niche. See, second option is bedroom. There is a box. You can see in the my slide. There is 4 boxes: drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. So where we put
मैम ड्रेसिंग
dressing
टेबल
table in bedroom. We put dressing table in bedroom, so we have to write it below the bedroom section. जहां पर bedroom लिखा है, in that place down the bedroom, you have to write dressing table and put place different other things. जगह छोड़ना दूसरी चीजों को लिखने के लिए. First you write dressing table bedroom के नीचे. बेडरूम लिखा है ना, BEDROOM बेडरूम, उसके नीचे प्लीज राइट ड्रेसिंग टेबल. DRESSING ड्रेसिंग, TABLE table, dressing table. Now
ड्रेसिंग टेबल का
next
फिर से
picture is
बोलो ना.
dressing table spelling is already written, beta. Dressing table spelling is written near the below the dressing table picture. Dress, DRESSING ing, dressing.
मैम
Dress spelling is DRESS, dress, ING ing, dressing, and table spelling is TABLE table, dressing table. Again I am
मैम सोफा
repeating, dressing, 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 TABLE table. And now next option is sofa. You can see next picture is sofa. Sofa we will put in drawing room. सोफा कहाँ होता है? ड्राइंग रूम में. जो फर्स्ट रूम हमारा होता है ड्राइंग रूम, दैट सोफा वहां पर होता है. सो जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ड्राइंग रूम, DRAWING, ड्राइंग रूम. देयर यू हैव टू राइट सोफा, SOFA, सोफा. ड्राइंग रूम के नीचे लिखो सोफा, SOFA, सोफा. या नाउ
मैम मेरे में ड्राइंग रूम नहीं है.
all have drawing room, dear. Show me your picture page. Show me your page. Speak in English. Okay, now children, first row is completed. Dressing table, sofa, oven and bucket. Now move to the next line. That is first option is rolling pin. Mother put
किचन.
yes, rolling pin
किचन
should be in kitchen. Yes, kitchen. Rolling. Yeah. ROLLING, rolling. Roll or ing. ROLL, roll. ING, ing. Rolling pin, PIN, pin. You have to write below the kitchen. ओवन लिखा था पहले हमने किचन के नीचे, उसके बाद पिन. Now second option is in second row, showcase. In showcase we put things which is very beautiful. So it should be in drawing room. Yes, showcase should be in drawing room. Yeah.
ड्राइंग रूम. मैम ड्राइंग रूम.
So children, write showcase.
ड्राइंग.
Yeah, below the drawing room. Showcase spelling is SHOWCASE. Showcase. So SHOW, show, case, 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 showcase. And now number third is bed. So you have to write, where is we kept bed? In bedroom. Bed के नाम से ही bedroom है. So you have to write bed. कहाँ पर लिखना है? Bedroom के नीचे. You have to write it in near the bedroom. Yeah.
मैम मेरा कभी डन नहीं हुआ.
Okay, I'm waiting. Children, when you unmute, you should mute also. Because your house is noisy. So someone whose house is noisy, don't unmute. Please try to avoid. Okay, very good. Very good. Yes, I can see beta. Yeah. Okay. So children, after bed, what we can see? Center table. It is center table. It is put on center of the drawing room. Center table is it is called tea table also.
Drawing
Yes. Center table should be put in drawing room और इसको टी टेबल भी कहते हैं. Yes, center table. So right below the drawing room, center table. Center table spelling is CENTRE. Center table. TABLE table. Center table. See children, my cursor is here. Center table. So now last row is unfinished. All finished. Last row's first option is toothbrush. So where I have to put toothbrush?
Bathroom.
Yes, very good.
Bathroom.
Good.
Ma'am, bathroom.
Bathroom. Toothbrush. TOOTHBRUSH. Toothbrush.
Bathroom.
Yes, bathroom. The toothbrush spelling is written here also. Again, I am repeating tooth. TOOTH, tooth, and brush. 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 Toothbrush. You have to write below the bathroom. So now, after toothbrush, there is almirah. Almirah we have to put in bedroom. Yes, kapde rakhte hain, so it will be put in bedroom. Yes, almirah that is put in bedroom. Yes. ALMIRAH. 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 Yes. Okay. हाँ.
मैम कितना जाएगा किचन में?
केटली. कितला बेटा केटली. ओके. Kettly, that will be in kitchen. KETTLE. Yes, okay. Shower चल के जाएगा बाथरूम में. Shower.
Bathroom.
Yes, SHOWER. Shower is in bathroom. So we finished this chapter also.